Okay. I hope my voice is audible properly.
Yes,
Hitesh,
sir.
sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So good afternoon, everyone. So welcome you all for practical number experiment number 3. So before that, two experiment we have completed in the laboratory. Those experiments are the superposition theorem and Thevenin's theorem. And before that, the one basic experiment also we have completed, that is the verification of KVL and KCL. So total, as per the syllabus point of view, we have completed the two practicals. That is the first of all verification of superposition theorem, and second one is the verification of Thevenin's theorem. So these by using simulation software also, that is the TINA Electronics Design Software Lab. By using that, we have solved the number of examples based on the superposition theorem as well as based on the Thevenin's theorem. So today we can do the practical, that is the experiment number 3, that is the verification of maximum power transfer theorem. Okay, verification of maximum power transfer theorem that we are going to do today. So before starting to do the practical in the laboratory, I will explain the theoretical part instead of on blackboard. I will explain with the help of this write-up. With the write-up, if we are understanding, then what we have to do and how we have to do that, we can understand and we can start the directly the practical. So I will share this write-up which written by the previous year student in the previous year 2020-21. So this is the aim of experiment number 3, that is the to verify the maximum power transfer theorem. What will be the outcome after completion of this experiment? If we are doing this practical, after that what we are getting, that is we will be able to analyze the linear circuit with the use of maximum power transfer theorem. Means any network problem we can solve it by maximum power transfer theorem to get the maximum power transfer from source to the load. Next, what are the equipments we are going to use? So by using two different way we are doing this experiment. Last year we have done this experiment based on the electronic circuit design simulation software, that is the TINA. Now we are in this year we are going to use this software as well as the hardware part, that is the breadboard components and power supply multimeter. By using that also we can do this experiment. So today we are going to do by using both method. So theory part already know that the maximum power transfer theorem states that the DC voltage source will deliver the maximum power to the variable load resistor only when the load resistance value is equal to source resistance. So this is the circuit diagram. You can note down here. 10 volt they have taken as a input power supply, and 1 kilo ohm taken as a resistor value, and RL is a variable. Okay, and to find out the current, ammeter is used. To find out the voltage across RL, we can use the voltmeter, we can connect it parallel. So ammeter and voltmeter, you can use it to find out the current as well as voltage. Now resistor value you can change. Suppose 1K is here, you can take first case as a the resistor value which is less than 1K. Then select exactly 1K and then select more than 1K. So three different cases you can take and find out the voltage across this and current passing through this, and from that you can calculate the power. Okay, so how to calculate? The calculation is given. Suppose the resistor value you have taken RS as a 1K, then RL if you are taking less than 1K, that is 560. So in that case, what is the current value? That is the 641 milliampere. Then calculate the power. If you are calculating the power, you are getting 0.023 milliwatt. Similarly, if you are taking RL value as a 1K, then again you can calculate the power. You can get 0.025 milliwatt. And similarly, the last case will be the resistor value should be more than 1K, that is 2.2K here they have taken. So in that case, the power will be 0.021 milliwatt. So if you are comparing these three value, which is greater? 0.025. So that we can get when RL is same as RS. Okay. So this is what we can verify the maximum power transfer theorem. Means maximum power transfer will transfer from source to the load only when the source resistance should match with load resistance. Okay, that we have to verify in the laboratory. So observation table is what? Serial number first 1, 2, 3. You are just taking 3 readings, 3 different cases. RS value remains constant, that is 1K. You can take any RS value, but once you select it, then you can keep as it is. Okay, you can select RS value as a 220, you can select as a 330, you can select as a 560, 1K, 2.2, any value you can select. But once you select RS value, you can keep as it is. Only you have to vary the, you have to change the load register value. Okay, so first case is less than 1K, second case is exactly 1K, third case is more than 1K. These 3 different cases of RL I have taken. And in that case, I have measured, we have measured the values of current passing through that series circuit. And from that, we have calculated the power. Okay, so in all three cases, which is the greater one? That is the second case, because RL value and RS value is same. Okay, we can verify. So conclusion is what? For transferring maximum power from source to the load resistance must be equal to the source resistance. Thus, we have calculated the power for different values of resistance theoretically as well as practically. So here I will keep this as it is. 1K resistor I will take, 10 volt source I will take, and RL value we can take these value, and we can verify by using simulation software. Okay, so this circuit diagram I will take. This circuit diagram we can implement now by using the TINA software. Okay, now here the voltage source I will select first of all. Voltage source I will select. The voltage source value instead of 5 I will take as a 10 volt. I will take VS as a supply voltage. Okay, input voltage 10. So resistor value you can select here. Now next, variable resistor, you can select this one. Instead of this one, you can take different values of this resistor. I will select as a 5K. Okay, 5K. Okay, variable resistor ऐवजी मी वेगवेगळ्या रेजिस्टरचं व्हॅल्यू घेतो. So first of all, I will select this resistor value. I will rotate left, and this I will name as RL. Instead of R2, I will give the name as RL. And RL value I will take as a 560 ohm. First case. This RS value I will change the name. This is RS. RS is 1K. RL is 560 ohm. VS is 10 volt. Now to measure the current passing through this. Okay, current if you are finding, or voltage you can take. Any one you can find out. Current if you are finding, so voltage आपण find out करूया instead of current. I will connect this one. Current value पण find out करता येतं तुम्हाला. Current source we can use. Sorry, current meter. Go in a meter. Select the current meter. So this will give us the IL value. You can connect this one. So IL square into RL, if you are calculating that, will give the voltage. So this is the first case we have taken. So we can simulate it. We can find out what is the IL value, and power also we can calculate. DC analysis table. So IL value is what? 6.41 milliampere. Okay, 6.41 milliampere. So in that also 6.41 milliampere. So IL, if you are taking, that will be the 6.41. Okay, 6.41. This is the IL. So in that case, this is the case when case number 1 आपण जर घेतलं, so this is the case number 1. So in that case, RL value is less than RS value. RL value is less than RL. So here IL value we have get 6.41 milliampere. So you can calculate the PL. PL is equal to IL square into RL. So what you got? 6.41 milli bracket square raised to RL raised to square. RL value is 560. So anyone calculate this one? What is the answer? (0.023 milliampere). Okay, 0.023 milliampere. Next one. Next one, this resistor value we have to change. Sorry, resistor keep as it is. Only value we can change. Instead of 560, I will take 1K. So 1K you can put. K should be small. 1K. Okay, so this RS is also 1K. This RL is also 1K. So again, you can simulate here. So this IL value is 5 milliampere you are getting now. IL value is. So this is the second case. So what is the second case here? When RS is equal to RL. In this case, IL is equal to what? IL we got 5 milliampere. So PL is equal to IL square into RL. So 5 milli bracket raised to square into RL value is 1. So this is 0.025 milliwatt. Okay, so this we can get. Now next, third case. Third case, we can change the value now. Instead of 1K, we can take 2.2K. 2.2K. So once again, we can simulate now. Analysis, DC analysis. So IL value is 3.13. So this is when RL value is greater than RL value is greater than RS value. Okay, so in this case, IL we are getting as a 3.13 milliampere. So if you calculate it, PL is equal to IL square into RL. So that is 3.13 milli raised to square into RL value is as it is 2.2K. If you calculate it, then you can get 0.021 milliwatt. So if you're comparing all these three values, where we can get the maximum power, that is when RL is equal to RS. That is when RL is equal to RS. So in this way, we can complete the observation table by taking three different readings, by taking three different cases. RL is less than RS, RL is equal to RS, and RL is greater than RS. If you are taking and checking the current value, and from that, if you are calculating the value of power, then you can compare the results and you can verify the maximum power transfer theorem. So in the simulation, we can use the ammeter, but when you are doing the practical in the laboratory, in that case, instead of ammeter, you can also use the voltmeter. So you can connect the voltmeter across the load resistor. Voltage you can find out. So voltage divided by resistor, you can do it. You can get the current. Okay. Or from the voltage also, you can find out the power. That is the VL square divided by RL. अजून एक पॉवरचा फॉर्म्युला काय? PL is equal to VL square divided by RL. Means if you are measuring the voltage across load resistor, there's a square kara divided by RL kara, you can get the power. By using two different formulas, you can calculate the power. So this is what, using the TINA software, we can complete the practical. Okay. So same practical we can do with the help of breadboard in the laboratory. The students are waiting there. So I will go to the laboratory and we can do this experiment with the help of components. Okay. So within 5 minutes, I can start this practical, 5 to 10 minutes. Just a wait. चेक द रेजिस्टन्स व्हॅल्यू नाव. तुमचे सगळ्यांचे स्पीकर ऑफ करा. स्पीकर वरती असते. चेक द रजिस्टर व्हॅल्यू. ज्ञानेश्वर फास्ट. Keep in a register mode. 4.57K आहे ते. That is not required for our practical. चलो ते नाही आहे रजिस्टर. दुसरं घे 1K चे बघ. इथे 1K चला. This is 1K. One more 1K you can take. दुसरं रजिस्टर 560 वगैरे जवळपास. You can check this one. 2.2K आहे का? 1K चा अजून एक आहे बघ. हे किती आहे? All three red means 2.2K. है का? Take. चलो fast. Who will share? Who will find out 560? Color coding काय? BB Roy. Great. So which color is should be there first? 560 काय असायला पाहिजे पहिला? पहिला जी म्हणजे कुठला? ग्रे का ग्रीन? ग्रीन पाहिजे ना. चलो पहिला ग्रीन. त्याच्यानंतर पुढे काय? 6 म्हणजे काय? व्हायलेट. नेक्स्ट ब्राऊन. अरे ते 1.5 आहे, आपल्याला ते नको आहे. मला अजून एक असलं पाहिजे रजिस्टर. शोधा 1K चा. या इकडे काय करताय तुम्ही? 2 बॉक्सेस शोधा की. 1K means what? Red. See 1K color coding is what? Color coding काय दिसतं 1K चं? ब्राऊन पहिला, ब्लॅक मध्ये, नंतर रेड. ब्राऊन ब्लॅक रेड 1K आणि 560. you can आणि कुठले किती? नसेल व्हॅल्यू तर 1K चं दुसरं घ्या. 1K आहे का? हे बघू. इथलं हे काढ. ते नाही वरचं. हे हा मेजर करते. 1K आहे का बघ. नुसतं असं बघितल्यावरच कळायला पाहिजे. लहान नाही. व्हॅल्यू कलर तर दिसतात की नाही? कलर दिसतात की नाही? कलर कोडिंगच. मी तुम्हाला कलर कोडिंग सांगितलं की नाही? अजून कलर कोडिंग सांग आता कुठलं राहिलं 1K चे 2 झाले 560 नाही सापडलं तर 470 घ्या चला त्याला काय आपल्याला फक्त केस टू केस व्हॅरी करायचं द रजिस्टर विच शुड बी लेस दॅन 1K एक केस घ्या कुठलं तरी हे बघ 470 आहे का बघ किंवा 390 घे 390 पण चालेल आपल्याला काय अडचण नाहीये 390 इथे आहे बघ चल 390 वी कॅन टेक चल या इकडे ब्रेडबोर्ड घेऊन 220 आहे 220 330 कुठला पण घ्या एक केस वी हॅव टू जस्ट चेक if register value of RL is less than 1K. In that case, what will happen? That we have to verify. चल या इकडं you have to do only now. Simulation मी तुम्हाला दाखवलंय आता प्रॅक्टिकल करायचंय चला बॅग ठेवा बॅग घेऊन फिरायची गरज नाही चलो take the come here bring that multimeter bring the multimeter and wires wires come here keep a mobile aside now mobile ठेवा आता side ला mobile is not required if you are coming physically now come to here आता ज्यांना माहित आहे त्यांनी बाजूला राहा come don't hesitate when you are doing the job no will help you have to do your projects चल माउंट द सर्किट सिरीज सर्किट माउंट करायचे त्यामुळे सोपं आहे माउंट करा सर्किट सो ज्ञानेश्वर will guide this is 1K resistor 1K resistor and these are the three different values of RL and power supply from that 10 volt first state the 10 volt power supply Aniket come here चालू कर okay 10 volt is already there so I want 5 volt then what you can do that one this you have to verify this is for fine means adjusting the second digit now we want 10 volt circuit what is the circuit I told now 10 volt is there no 10 volt circuit you have taken as a 10 volt now connect the wires no okay now next 10 off it now connect the circuit series circuit see the circuit na अरे दोन पार्ट पाहिजे दोन रजिस्टर कनेक्ट करायचे तुम्हाला सिरीज मध्ये which register first of all you can take this 1K connect okay ठीक आहे आता अमीटर आपण यूज करायचं नाही व्होल्ट मीटर यूज करूया आता ह्याच्या सिरीज मध्ये आपल्याला कनेक्ट करायचं दुसरं रेजिस्टर टेक एनी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेस दॅन व्हॅल्यू 390 if you are taking 390 instead of 560 we can take 390 here so connect the 390 yes very good yes connect anywhere properly insert that अरे दुसरं घे 390 दुसरं घे असलं 390 अरे मी काय करत नाही रे तुम्हाला you are doing practical means this is the simple practical one of the simple practical here connect the 390 and get avkash connect insert properly yes so where should be the positive power supply power supply is there. Positive terminal कुठे आहे? Where we have to put that in the circuit? Power supply कुठे connect आहे? Resistor बघ, diagram बघ. See the diagram. Resistor कसा आहे? Voltmeter, resistor, RS, RL, circuit complete. Connect the power supply positive. कुठे आहे ते? नाही हा त्याच्या खाली 5, त्याच्या खाली 4 पॉइंट मध्ये जायला पाहिजे ते कुठेही. ठीक आहे. सर्किट असंच राहते. नेक्स्ट निगेटिव्ह, ते काढ पॉवर. आपल्याला भांडायचं नाही रे. Okay. So negative you have to connect at what, where? Okay, very good. Now your circuit is series connected. Means positive. This is the 10 volt source. Positive is here. This is negative here. Okay. थोडं मी तो वरती घेतोय. Okay. Positive. Now positive you have taken. Resistor RS is fixed now. RL you have to change. Okay. Now in the simulation, by using simulation, what we have done, we have connected the ammeter in series with that. But here multimeter is not working with the proper ammeter. So instead of that voltmeter, we can use it. So voltage across this RL, we can measure it. Resistor value is how much? That is the 390. Then if you are measuring the voltage across that, then VL, you calculate it. RL is known. Okay, so from that power you can calculate. So what is the formula for power calculating in terms of voltage and resistor? That is VL square divided by RL. So VL square, whatever you are getting in the multimeter, that you have to square divided by that resistor value 390. If you are doing this, you can get the power. Chalo, do it. No, you can do it. On it. Multimeter, keep in a voltage mode. Voltage mode or the any voltage across resistor 390 you have to measure. Voltage across where should be positive. How the current is flowing? पहिला 10 volt check कर. 10 volt येते का? Yes, very good. Okay, here 10.7, no, so minimize it. Okay, now 10 volt. Okay, it's okay. Okay, 9.9, it's okay. 10 volt. Okay, now voltage across resistor 390, that is RL, you have to measure. Voltage across resistor measure कर. Input measure कर तो. Tell now, if you know, tell him. That is the voltage across RS you are calculating. You hold reverse. Yes, voltage across 2.80 volt. Note down someone. Somewhere in the notebook you can note down. 2.80 volt. Okay. So meanwhile you can off it. Very simple experiment. Theoretically, this circuit is very simple compared to complicated circuit. Write down serial number, first observation table. Write down first maximum power transfer theorem and case number 1, maximum power transfer theorem. Now you can remove that resistor slowly. And connect now 1K. Connect 1K now. That is here. Connect 1K. Yes. Written serial number, first column. Second column RS. Third value RL. Third column RL. Fourth value is VL. Okay. Then IL. and then power. आता काढले स्कीम. Okay, first case, first reading, serial number first. Serial number 1. RS value is 1K, 1 kilo ohm. 1 kilo ohm. Next RL value 390 ohm. VL how much calculated? 2.80. 2.80 volt. IL not calculated, VL calculated. VL 2.0 ना, IL calculated. Power किती आले ते नंतर calculate करा. Okay, now second case. RS remains same. 1K. RL value is 1K. RL also 1K. 1K. Now on it and check the voltage across 1K. Show the voltage across, yes. It is exactly half. Exactly half आला पाहिजे तुमचं जे इनपुट आहे त्याच्या half. Okay, 4.96. 4.96. Yes. Now next, remove that resistor. Pop it. Remove that resistor and 2.2K. You can take. Now on it and check the. Now third case, resistor is more than RL value. So 6.88. No, that means not. First 6.88. Okay, resistor value 2.2. No. RS value remains same, Raja. RS value never change. 1K. Check RL value 2.2K. Okay. So all three cases you have tested now. Now calculate the power. IL also calculated and power also. IL how to calculate? IL कैसे calculate करायचं? VL divided by RL. ते IL येणार आणि पॉवर पण कॅल्क्युलेट करा. पॉवरचे दोन फॉर्म्युले आहेत. IL वरती पण बेस्ड ऑन IL also you can calculate, based on VL also you can calculate. That is IL. पॉवरचं लिहून घ्या फॉर्म्युला. पॉवरचा फॉर्म्युला काय? IL स्क्वेअर इंटू RL. दूसरा फॉर्म्युला है VL स्क्वेअर डिवाइडेड बाय RL. डिवाइडेड बाय RL. दोन्ही पैकी एक मेथडने पॉवर कॅल्क्युलेट करा. अदर यू कॅन डू द प्रॅक्टिकल अँड व्हेरीफाय. जस्ट ज्यांना समजलं त्यांनी तिथं कॅल्क्युलेशन करा. बसा तिथं. Those who are not understood this, you can do it. I am here. No. The observation and doing, it is a different part. चलो ऑफ कर दे. Remove all the part, all the registers and that power supply. Okay, remove all this and do it now. Now you can do this practical. All 3. मला reading दाखवा. Do it. Calculate. Divided by. बरोबर आहे ना? बरोबर व्हॅल्यू सांगितलं ना. 4.10 काय आलंय? बरोबर की मिली एम्पियर येणार. 7.1 मिली एम्पियर. 10⁻³ म्हणजे मिली एम्पियर. बरोबर आहे. अरे मिली घेतला म्हणजे 10⁻³ ना. नेक्स्ट 4.96 डिवाइडेड बाय 1K. ते K वरती जाऊन मिलीच होत आहेत. 4.96 मिली एम्पियर ने. 4.96 मिली डिवाइड बाय 1 होता ना. नेक्स्ट 6.88 डिवाइडेड बाय 2.2. milliampere. Now calculate the power. Any one formula you can use. As a square color. No, you can use this formula. VL square. It is simple one. 2.80 as a square into RL. Sorry, divided by RL. Divided by RL value. Done? Now understood? Okay. So very simple experiment it is. In the entire NTA practicals, this is the very simple. Third one. 0.02 milliwatt, na? चला सर ब्रेड बोर्ड अंते कपाटात दोन्ही मॅडम हे कपाटात ठेवून चावीला टाकून मॅडम लॉक लावून टाकायचे लॉक लावून चावी ते सरांना सरांना देऊन टाकायचे सरांना दे What are the results? हे चुकले हे सेम आलेत की नाही दोघी पॉईंट ह्याच्यामध्ये फरक आहे पॉईंट मग हे कसं काय एवढं आलं 6.88 into 6.88 square divided by 2.2 2.2 आपण डिवाइडेड बाय के मध्ये करताना वेगळी घेतलेली काय झालं 6.88 square divided by 2200 एवढा आहे 0.0215 बरोबर आहे म्हणजे 5 काढ ओके 0.020 0.024 0.021 so which is greater among these second one no so when you are getting that one when both are equal okay so maximum power will be transferred when RL is equal to RS so this reading I will take reading okay. So the readings, if you are comparing the readings, we can get the maximum power transfer when RL is equal to RS. When RL is equal to RS, we can get the 0.024 milliwatt. So you can write here power in milliwatt. Bracket मध्ये milliwatt रे watt means W. Power calculated or not? BEE subject BEE na BEE. This is the next part of BEE network theory means. Okay. So you can conclude that this experiment. So maximum power will be transferred from source to the load when the load resistance is equal to source resistance. If any questions will be there, you can ask. Otherwise we can stop. Questions? Anyone? Join, okay. Everyone join. You can. Join झालं का? Okay, we can stop. Thank you.